My name is Michael Hunter Schwartz, and I am Dean and Professor of Law at the University of Pacific's McGeorge School of Law. I think coming to McGeorge is a great choice for students. I really believe that students who come here will get a top-notch legal education. Being a lawyer is still the one way, if you want to make a difference with your life, for you to be able to do it. When the law needs to change, it is lawyers who draft the new law, who bring cases to change the law, who fight for making the law where it needs to be to serve our society. Although I met my wife in my 20s when I was mostly pretty stupid, I made one phenomenal choice. I picked the absolutely perfect spouse. My wife has just recently, in the last 6 months or so, launched a nonprofit. They've created already 2 apps, and they're working on a 3rd app for people with brain injuries and other kinds of brain disorders. My older daughter is in Philadelphia. She's applying for graduate school. She wants to get a doctorate in either psychology or educational psychology. My younger daughter's a junior in college and is planning to go to law school. One of the things I really hope to do is to shine the light on all the great things that are at McGeorge already. So at McGeorge, we have faculty who have authored textbooks that have been adopted at 185 of the 205 law schools in America. That's an amazing number, and I think nobody knows about it. We have this amazing trial advocacy program, ranked 10th in the nation. I'd like to get the word out. We have a phenomenal international law program, and we're in the state capital of the most vibrant state in the entire country. Years ago, I wrote a book about the 26 best law teachers in the country. One of those professors was Carrie Bricker here at McGeorge. And when I talk to students about her, even since I've arrived at the law school, I hear all the things that I love about McGeorge and my McGeorge colleagues. I'm incredibly inspired by the international water rights and the international rights work done by my faculty colleagues, where they are consulting with countries all over the world about how to solve real problems of the human right to water and problems of justice and equality. One of the best ways we can bring students together with our alumni is through our new mentoring program that we launched this fall, where every entering student will have a mentor who practices in an area that's of interest to the students when they graduate. They will do roughly 10 hours of shadowing, so they can really get a sense of what it's like to practice in the area of law that's of interest to them. This also allows our alumni, particularly many of our younger alumni, to start engaging with the law school right from the get-go. I would also like to work with faculty to find ways to engage in research that is really community engaged, research in which it's a collaboration between the faculty researcher and the community that researcher is hoping to serve or support by his or her research. When I sort of think about what I do as dean, what I really want to do is to put people, students, faculty, alumni in a position where they can excel and feel great about it. And so if there are people out there who look back on my career and say, wow, he really made a difference in my life, I'd be thrilled.